YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We're about to find out what's inside. You guys can check them out. My either Amazon affiliate link will be down below, or their website. Either or, they are safe to click. We shall see what this is. Oh boy. What is this? CINOTON. Not sure if I said that right, but this looks like an Amazon. This is gonna be LED wall pack light. Ooh. Alright, this should be fun. We got holidays fast approaching. And something there. What is this? LED wall pack. Alright. Where does this go to? Oh boy. Looks like I gotta get some screwdrivers out. This looks nice. Look at that. Boom. Boom. Not sure if I got a screw. Yeah. Should be a screw. Maybe I need to get one. Yep, I gotta get a screwdriver. Hold on. There we go. That's what it looks like inside. You got the driver, and then you got 2 wires of ground. Just gotta find a spot where I'm gonna install this. Gotta figure it out. And a few. Here we go. So that's what it looks like out of the box. Got the top. And you got the wires right there. So just gotta hook it up. They do move out, so you got some room to work with. And it should be good to go. Next step, install. Before we do an install, I forgot to show you guys LEDs. They got a pretty good amount of them right in there. This thing is amazing. Just look how strong this could handle any hurricane. I'll show you at the end what it looks like. But yeah, it's super bright though. Like I said, I got them all screwed. Just gotta pump it in once I install it, and it'll look good. I just gotta be careful. My neighbors are having a party, and I gotta edit the music because of the copyright. So you might hear different music in the background. But they got some kind of birthday party going on, and I'm not gonna bug them. So here we go. Definitely check it out though. Their website link will be down below. I'm not sure if they're on Amazon, but like I said, either or, I'll leave both. So you might want to check back, see what other sales they got going on. But yeah, super nice, super easy. Alright guys, we'll be right back.